Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Smithing Flux in Windrose. Now first off, you're going to have to go to Tortuga on your world. For me, it's pretty much over here to the south, but it might be different for yours. Thankfully, as long as you manage to follow some main quests or some side quests, eventually, the quest will lead you to an island that will lead you to Tortuga. And once you found the island of Tortuga on your world, you just have to reach their dock right over here to unlock their fast travel point. Now inside Tortuga, you're going to find one of the provisioners right over here to the left. I'm not exactly sure if it's different for yours, but try to find the provisioner for the smugglers of Port Royal. On one of his goods, you'll be able to find the Smithing Flux. At least one piece of it will be sold for 10 pieces of piastri right here. And you are going to need quite a bit of this for you to upgrade your weapons, because the Smithing Flux is actually used for upgrading your weapons from level 6 to level 10. So they are pretty useful for you to be able to progress through the game. I believe if you have a weapon that you want to max out all the way to level 10, you are going to require at least 15 pieces of the Smithing Flux. So have at least 150 piastri on hand for you to be able to buy them. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Smithing Flux in Windrose.